Hello everybody, I'm Isabelle Fayolle. I'm a journalist and we're here in Paris at Leonard for Building Beyond. Welcome to this new episode. Today, we're going to talk about the adaptation of the building for energy efficiency. Welcome, Charlotte Roux. We are really lucky to have you on the set. Welcome. To start, what is the issue of building resilience to heat waves becoming so central?
As climate is changing, we will have more frequent and more intense heat waves, and this will have crucial consequences on the people living in the cities. We will have more people suffering from heat waves, so sanitary issues, and also maybe lots of people installing chillers and increasing the energy consumption.
And what strategy have been explored to improve summer thermal comfort?
In our work, we have combined expertise from urban microclimate and thermal energy simulation of buildings to look at both urban greening and the effect of renovation on building resilience.
Charlotte, with AgroParisTech, you studied the effects of urban greening at the neighborhood scale. What effect on building resilience?
So first, our colleagues have modeled the effect on outside air temperature with a microclimate model, taking into account prospective weather data with climate change and looking at the effect of vegetation. And the effect was around 2 degrees, so a decrease of 2 degrees in the outside air temperature. When using this as an input to our model of building energy simulation, we have found out that the effect was reduced to 0.7 degrees in the inside air temperature.
And that's not enough? That's not much, maybe?
Well, let's say that it's 2 degrees outside is still significant for urban comfort, and 0.7 degrees inside is significant, but it's too low to really tackle climate change and future heat waves.
Is there any side effect to urban greening?
We have to look at how to install urban greening. We have to do it properly. And one important thing is access to water, because trees need water to grow and to cool the air. Our colleagues from AgroParisTech have evaluated the maximum amount of water that is needed for those trees to have the effect of 2 degrees. And the result is around 640 liters per square meter. It's significant, it cannot be neglected, and it has to be anticipated. We don't want to water those trees with tap water. We have to think of the little water cycle and think of rainwater, reused wastewater, and not coming from tap water.
How does that compare with the needs for air conditioning?
In terms of financial cost, it can be the same order of magnitude if we water the tree with tap water or if we install chillers. So it means that as chillers are much more efficient to cool the inside air, then people will mostly use chillers and will not plant trees. And so we really have to find other solutions, as urban greening has lots of other positive effects.
What are the benefits of building renovation?
Building renovation helps us both for summer and winter. We already know that insulation protects us from the cold, but it also protects us from the heat. And so we have high benefit to renovate the building stock and protect the people from the future heat waves. So prevent people from installing chillers. If we don't have really ambitious policies and strong incentive to building renovation, then we will have the rich buying chillers and the poor just suffer.
And how to balance both?
Both urban greening and building renovation, both are complementary, because we also need outdoor to be a comfortable zone for people, and urban greening had a lot of other beneficial effects for biodiversity, for mental health. There are a lot of studies showing those benefits. But for heat waves and for building resilience, we absolutely need to do a very efficient and ambitious renovation. Otherwise, people will really suffer from the future heat waves.
What do we need to raise the building renovation?
We really need policies and strong incentive. We'll need to promote global renovation and not just small gesture, not just insulating the roof, not just changing the windows, but we need really a global and systemic renovation.
And Charlotte, to summarize, what are the key messages?
The key messages are that we should not oppose urban greening and building renovation, but those are more complementary measures that will help us to really prepare cities to future climates.
Crystal clear. Thank you very much, Charlotte.
Thank you very much.